Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2013 Honda Goldwing with only 30,831 miles runs well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It comes equipped with cruise control and electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, CB radio, and an intercom. It's been upgraded with a California Sidecar Viper Trike kit, chrome accent pieces, passenger armrests, Carriac and ISO grips with throttle assist, chrome adjustable passenger floorboards, air wings fairing mounted wind deflectors, windshield lighting, chrome master cylinder covers, luggage rack, and chrome dash and speaker trim. The Goldwing debuted in 1975 and has survived the test of time to become an iconic titan in the touring class. Comfort, spacious storage, and impressive performance are hallmarks of the Goldwing, and with Honda's bulletproof reliability, these bikes were built to go the distance in comfort and style. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 116 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 910 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.